Hello everybody, my name is Adrian and I am doing an unboxing for a figure for Attack on Titan. Here is the box, check it out, and I'm about to open it right now. It's taped up pretty freaking good, but I'll get it. Let's see if I can get the figure out of here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check it out. Here's the figure. It's pretty cool, huh? Let's put it together.